Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be continue with my new tools that I want to use at home. Just went into my local B&Q hardware store in other places. Anyway, they had this bin where they just have little sales and chuck everything in, and I found these two in there. These were £2 each, bargain. I couldn't pass it, so I took them and I got the Pozidriv and I got the Phillips. Yeah, so these are the number 2s. Yeah, so before we go any further, I'll just give you the model number. It's DWHT66499. So this is the Phillips lifetime warranty, made in the USA. That's what I want to see, where it's originated from. Made in the USA, lifetime warranty. Other info, no. Phillips 2. Tip ID, which isn't right. There we go. It's a 4-inch, 100mm. Next one, it is DWHT66499, and this is a Pozidriv PZ2. There we go, 100mm screwdriver, 4-inch. But the reason why I was attracted to these, can you guess? The handles. They remind me of Klein tools. Similarities. Yeah. But this is sturdy. Plus, just see, everything's the same. A bar, that bit, compared to that bit there. But we're not on about Klein, we're on about DeWalt. But yeah, so what do I think? I like the grip, like the Klein, I like the grip. Plenty of torque. You'll probably end up rounding, you'd either round the screw or you'll end up breaking one of these. You'll end up breaking the tip, I mean. But in general, quality wise, average, imperfections, just, you know what, I'm not going to talk about the imperfections too much. For £2, I'm not going to argue, right? If it breaks in the first try, I don't care. £2. It's not many screwdrivers. You can pick up screwdrivers like this for £2, but I haven't seen the set. But these, I got these because they're in there and it reminded me of Klein tools. You would make the mistake of thinking they were Klein tools, but not when you see the front of that. So you got their indications. But yeah, liking it. Like the big handles. You'll get plenty of torque. Are these magnetic? Tips aren't magnetic. Nope. But they're not stainless steel either, so they will rust. They will rust. But anywho, we'll end it on this one, and I'll see you on the next one. So do me a big favor, like, subscribe, share, helps the channel grow, helps me bring you more content like this. So on that note, I'll see you on the next one. Please do give it the thumbs up.